Hey guys, it's Josh in the Quick Speed Shop. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year if I don't see you between now and then. This video is on Christmas Day, and I'm not going to take up a bunch of your time if you're watching on Christmas Day here, but I want to say thanks to everybody for watching the last year, working on the C10 and the Dodge truck and everything else going on, Adventures of Ted, getting thrown out of Carlisle. Hopefully we're over that, because I want to go to Spring Carlisle, so we'll be back next year there, I guess. But couple minute here video. I got an early Christmas present for myself, and it comes in a big AMD box, so we're going to go open that right now. But if I don't see you, Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and we'll see you in January 2025. We got to get the C10 on the road. We got to build the Dodge Daytona Clone. We got to do a bunch of things. So we'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching, and let's open up this AMD box and see what I got. This is awesome. I saved up for this, and I can't believe it's here. It was a lot of money. Whoa. It was a lot of money. What's that? Oh, a bunch of little hardware. Can't lose that. Hold on, I'm opening it. I'm trying to open it for you guys. It's an unboxing. Here it comes. What is it? You might have read it on the box. I can't tell. What is it? Oh boy. Oh boy. I can't believe it, but I got to. It's finally here. Oh, the camera just cut out before the big reveal. Hold on. Let's do it fast before the camera cuts out again. Oop. I guess the GoPro couldn't stand the excitement. Take 3 on this. The freaking GoPro again. If you saw my last, the GoPro screwed up again. I had to plug it in for whatever reason. I thought the battery was going bad. All right, here it is before we can lose it. It's the tail panel. 69 Charger tail light panel. Look at that. Glorious. This is the crowning jewel for building my Dodge Charger Daytona. The most iconic taillight panel, I guess, except for 68, which had the round taillights. But if you've seen generally any of them cars, this is what everybody looks at, the 69 Dodge Charger tail light panel. From AMD, brand new in the box. You saw it. Not sponsored, because I wouldn't be bankrupt if I was sponsored, but I'm not. Just bought this. A little bit of money right before Christmas. You're looking at it. Do you know what this costs? I don't want to tell you because it's unbelievable. $500 gets you an AMD 69 Charger tail panel. But where are you going to get one that's brand new? Look at this. I can't wait to put this car together. I can't wait to start building it. I've been waiting on this piece. I bought the floors and stuff first, the stuff that's important, but you need this piece. This is like the crowning jewel. I love it so much I might hang it up on the wall in here so we can look at it while we're working on stuff. I need to get a set of tail lights for it. They're expensive as well. I'll probably buy used ones, but used ones on eBay are about $300, so it's a lot of money to put into this stuff, but I mean, you're looking at it. 69 Charger tail panel. To quote Roscoe P. Coltrane, "Ooh, I love it, I love it, I love it. Geese, 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 come on, Flash. Come on, cuff them and stuff them. Get them Duke boys. Cuff them and stuff them. Where's my fat little buddy?" I should have bought a new camera instead of buying a tail panel, because that joke GoPro we're using, junk. It's junk. I hate it. Junk. So I can't believe it. There it is. You're looking at it. AMD, baby. 69 Charger tail light panel. Unbelievable. One step closer to making the 69 Dodge Charger Daytona Clone out of my 69 Plymouth GTX. It's sacrilege, but guess what? You can't afford to buy these cars, so you got to put them together. Out of brand new AMD sheet metal, baby. Not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor it, send me some more parts. I need fenders, doors, and quarters. All right, so bam, I'm super excited about the Charger taillight section. Now I'm on the hunt for taillights. I know they're on eBay all the time, and I don't know if you get them new, but it's the crowning part you need. It's one of the important parts you need. So I can't believe it. I got it. It's in there, and we'll be putting it on that car next year when we start to build the Dodge Daytona Clone. So thanks for watching. We'll see you probably in the new year here. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. 2025, here we come. Tell your friends. Check out stuff here at the Quick Speed Shop. And please come back. I appreciate everybody watching. And send me a comment. I like to do the late at night and answer all them comments. All right, we'll see you guys in 2025.